Exposing the secret sauce in last week's market movements, you won't believe what happened with the PSEi. Despite the U.S. market taking a nosedive, the Philippine Stock Exchange Index, PSEi, stayed afloat, closing up by 0.56% at 6,936.09 points. How did this happen? Well, let's break it down. The week kicked off cautiously, still grappling with last week's MSCI rebalancing and the U.S. Labor Day holiday. Midweek, the PSEi mirrored negative international sentiment, especially from the U.S., where concerns over the economy caused a tech sell-off. But here's the twist. Philippine inflation in August came in at 3.3%, below expectations, sparking hopes of rate cuts by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Add some upbeat employment data and the PSEi managed to erase its losses. Top gainers, GTCAP surged 9% thanks to Metrobank's new high, and Century Pacific jumped 8.3%, acquiring a coconut venture. Puregold rose 8.1% on easing inflation. On the flip side, Manila Electric dropped 4.8% on profit-taking, and LT Group declined 3.9% post-dividend. Looking ahead, brace yourselves. Without positive leads and with looming U.S. recession fears, the local market might trade downward. But hey, at least oil prices are dropping. Stay tuned for next week's recap. Until then, happy trading.